Good evening, my dear student. Today our topic is in operations the important unit is Venn diagram. So today you see the Venn diagram. What is Venn diagram? First, a Venn diagram is a closed geometrical figure used to denote a set or a combination of sets within a given universal set. Points within such a closed figure represent the elements of the set. First of all, the Venn diagram is nothing but it's a geometrical figure because the number will be given, but the number will be represented in some geometrical figure, means easily you will understand the sum. So that one is called Venn diagram. It is like a closed geometrical figure. It denotes all the set or combination of the set within a given universal set. You see the figure first. So the first one, relation between the sets. So the Venn diagram can be used to represent the relationship between sets. The first set is subset of a set. The figure is considered as a Venn diagram. Okay, the first subset of a set. If A is the subset or equal to B, the set A is represented by a circle within the circle representing the set B. That means A is the subset of B. So A is the smallest one. So B is the bigger set. Already in sum you will see this. A is the subset of B means A will be belongs in the B. That means the A set inside of the B. The figure will represent like that only. The full figure, the box, the rectangle figure is the universal set. You know very well the universal set. Universal set is the full set. So universal set is the biggest set. Inside of that you have mentioned the two set A, B. So A is the subset of B means inside of the B set A is the full set, because A subset of B means both having the common in A only. So that is the representation of the set. Next one, union of a set. Union of the set means A is set A union B may be represented by the shaded portion of each of the following Venn diagram. Under three situations will be there. The first situation is A and B are overlapping set. That means at least one element in the A and B. That one is the overlapping set. So the first figure A and B will be fully shaded. That one is A and B is overlapping the set. That means the union means already you know that. Union means both A and B fully you take for the set. That one is the A union B set. The second one A and B are disjoint set. Disjoint means they are not to join anywhere the A and B, but the universal set inside only you take A in one side, B in one side, but both having no common. But third condition is A is the subset of B. That means in B inside the A is there, or equal to means fully shaded for A and B, but inside of the B only A will be being the set B. So A and B will be fully shaded. This is the union of set. The next one is the intersection of set. The shaded portion of each of the following Venn diagram represent the set A intersection B. First condition, A intersection B, A and B are overlapping set. That means A and B both having the center part will be shaded. That shaded part is called representing the intersection of the set. In sum also you know that A and B both having the common number. That common is called intersection. This is represented in diagram itself. A circle and B circle. This means the two sets will be intersect in the center part. That one is called the A intersection B. The second condition, the second method was not only the method. This is the one of the way to explain the intersection. A and B are disjoint set means there is no joining, means there is no common. So its circle is not to shade anywhere, but the two circle is inside of the universal set, but not intersection part is there. The third way is A is the subset of B. That means B inside only the A set is there. That means the intersection is nothing but A only. So A intersection B, A is the subset of B means the intersection part is fully A only. You just link with the sum in. Before you will study the union intersection sum, you link with the diagram. Next one is difference of two sets. The shaded portion of the following Venn diagram represent the different sets A minus B. Suppose when first way is A and B are overlapping set. That means the first diagram represent that A and B are overlapping, but difference means A is subtracted B, but the first set is A means the remaining A only the answer. The same for that the shade. So the second one is A and B are disjoint set. That means not to join anywhere. So there is no intersection takes place for A and B. Intersection is there means the common will be cancelled in the difference. Then first set is the answer for difference of the two set. but this sum there is no intersection is there. That means disjoint set means A only the answer, so only A only shading in the figure. Third one is A is the subset of B. Subset means full A will be inside of B. That means the A and B both having the common fully A. So fully the A will be cancelled. So the answer is empty only. So difference is empty. There is no shade in the third figure. Fourth, the same for B minus A also given in below. So you will study that. Next one is complement of a set. The shaded portion of the adjoining Venn diagram represent the set A dash, which is the complement of the set A. A dash is nothing but universal set minus A. The remaining universal set is the answer in question. The same for representation in figure. Everything is A fully cancelled. The remaining universal cell will be fully shaded. So this is today class children. So everyone study this. You learn everything. So you watch the video carefully. Thank you children to watching the video.